A true bike lover deserves to experience every good motorcycle at least once in his life. The problem is, not all good bikes exist today. Fortunately for us, manufacturers are resurrecting certain iconic motorcycles from the past that helped shape their present. Case in point, the Indian Scout, one of the most popular and successful American cruisers, which was made from 1920 to 1949. And it has been brought back to life last year with the all-new 1130cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine.
It's always heartening to see vintage motorcycles being reintroduced in the modern era by motorcycle companies. In fact, people like me who are the current generation, they haven't seen or ridden a lot of motorcycles which are actually vintage and were sold obviously a long time ago. One of these motorcycles is right behind me as the new Indian Scout, but they have retained an overall design philosophy and of course the name. Now this bike is iconic because of a couple of reasons, which one of them is that it was one of the most successful motorcycles that was sold during the World War II. And second, you might already be knowing, is that Burt Munro, he set a land speed record on this bike in 1967. And not only that, he set it on a 40-year-old Indian Scout at the Bonneville Salt Lake Flats. Now isn't that amazing?
A record which stands to this day. The feat immortalized the bike and changed the image of Indian motorcycles forever. The new Scout produces 100 bhp of power and 97.7 Nm of torque, which peaks out at about 5,900 rpm.
Talking about speed, let's talk about some numbers. Now this bike is around 250 kgs, goes to 0 to 100 in less than 5 seconds, and it has a maximum lean angle of around 31 degrees, which actually makes it the super bike of cruisers.
Of course, it reminds us of the original Scout, but is thoroughly modern. You will appreciate the design details as you notice that the radiator's housing is an extension of the aluminum frame. It keeps the styling of the bike clean. We have had a wonderful time astride the new Scout, and it is indeed a great motorcycle to keep.